Okay, good day, class. So today we shall be introducing ourselves to the concept of sector, the area of major and minor sector, while understanding the circle sectors, because we are going to be limiting ourselves to circle. So first of all, we have to understand the term sector. So when you hear sector, what does it mean? Sector is a cumulation or a composition or the combination of the two radii and an arc. So the radii is drawn from two sides from the center of the circle to the arc, combining together to form a sector. So even before we move into the major and minor sectors, we shall be talking about some objectives that we need to aim at. So on our learning objectives, which is the foundation upon which whatsoever thing we are talking about here will be done, the first on the list is to understand what major and minor sectors of a circle are. The second is to learn how to calculate the area of a sector using a formula that is already going to be given. And the third is to differentiate between the major and the minor sectors through area calculation. That is, how we will be able to know that this is a major sector and a minor sector. So now let's move deeper into the introduction. So, shall we just be introducing ourselves to the subject terminology of sector? Sector. So, what is a sector? Just as I told you in our first speech, that a sector is a part of a circle enclosed by two radii and the arc between them. So, you have two radii being combined with the arc, that is the curved part of the circumference, to form a sector. So now let's move into visualizing these major sectors and the minor sector. So we have our major sector and our minor sector on our circle that is on the right hand side. Now the major sector is the larger portion of the circle when the two radii and the arc is formed. So that major sector is called major because it is the larger portion, as you can see shown in the orange portion of the circle. And then we have the smaller portion, which is the yellow portion of the circle, as the minor sector. The minor sector is the smaller portion, the major sector is the larger portion, which completes the full circle. It combines together. That is, the major sector plus the minor sector combines to form a full circle. So, shall we now move over to the formula for the area of the circle? So, we have our formula to calculate for the area of a sector, which is given as the theta divided by 360 times pi times r. So the theta symbolizes the angle of the sector in degrees, not in radians, in degrees. And when I say theta, I mean the symbol of the circle that has a line in between. So theta divided by 360 times pi. The pi is 22 over 7. Then the r is radius, is a radius multiplied by itself. So it means that we are going to be multiplying the radius by itself, multiplied by 22 over 7, multiplied by theta divided by 360 to successfully get the area of the sector. So shall we move deeper into using this formula to calculate a problem on the minor sector? So the problem given here is to find the area of the minor sector with radius of 10 centimeter and the angle of 60 degrees. Now, how do we solve this? We have to solve it using the formula that has been given: theta divided by 360 times the pi times the r times the r. So it gives us, using the substituted parameter, we're going to be using 60 divided by 360 times the pi times the 10 times the 10. If done successfully, it gives us 52.36 centimeter raised to power 2. So shall we move over to the next page? So this is another problem. We're asked to find the area of the major sector with radius 10 centimeter and the angle of 300 degrees. You can see that this angle is quite bigger than the previous one. So using the formula that we already know, theta divided by 360 times pi times the r, we have substituting the parameter we already know, we have 300 divided by the 360 times the pi times 10 times 10. If done successfully, we will have 261.8 centimeter raised to power 2. So you can see that it's quite very simple. All you need to know is to get the formula memorized in your head and you can easily solve any theta divided by 360 times the pi times the r times the r. So let's move into the concluding section. In conclusion, we started by talking about the sector, we defined the sector, the term sector, and we also talked about the major and the minor sectors, which are parts of a circle divided by two radii. We discussed on the formula for the area of a sector, which is theta divided by 360 times pi, which I told you is 22 over 7, and then times the r, which is the radius of the circle, times r again. So you are multiplying r by itself twice and then multiply by 22 over 7 times theta over 360. We also calculated questions on the major sectors and the minor sector in which you observed that the major angle is larger than the minor angle. So that will be all for now. But before we go, let's move to our assignment. So the assignment here is to calculate the area of the minor sector with radius 8 centimeter and angle of 45 degrees. Second question is to calculate the area of the major sector with radius of 8 centimeter and angle of 315 degrees. And finally, to draw and label the sectors of your own or the sectors on your own sector. So you have to draw your own, not my own. See. So thank you very much. So thank you for learning with me. I hope you now feel confident calculating area on major, the minor sectors. And I believe you have questions. If you have a question, please pen it down. So when we meet, you can always ask your question. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.